Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. For today's video, I have something fun and exciting for you guys. As you can see, my background is my pantry. So today, we're gonna try and organize my pantry. I've bought a few things from K-mart that I will show you. Just some stuff for organization of, my little pantry over here. And then I will show you a before of what my pantry looks like, and then an after we've organized everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video today. If you want to see what it looks like, keep watching. So this is how my pantry looks like at the moment. As you can see, there's bottles, there's stuff everywhere. It's not really looking tidy. So we're gonna do today, we're gonna organize this. I just want to show you how it looks like first before we organize our pantry. It's just not looking so good. This is my lovely pantry. So I've shown you a video a while ago how it's looking like at the moment. It's one big mess. So now I'm gonna remove everything. I'm going to show you as much as I can, but I think we'll have to just move it forward a little bit just so it won't take much of your time, okay? Now we're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings are done. Now everything is out. I still have one more shelf to do. When I finish removing everything off, I'm just gonna wipe it down, and then we're gonna start putting everything together inside the container and then back inside the pantry. Now everything is out. I can start wiping the shelves down, and then the fun part, we're gonna start moving on to putting everything in the containers that I bought from K-mart. Okay, so as I said, I bought a few things from K-mart. It was delivered yesterday, but I ordered it on Saturday, just Saturday past, and I was surprised with how hard it is to order from K-mart online. Some of the things that I wanted was out of stock, and some of the things that are there, if it's not out of stock, limited stock only. So you can really buy a lot of things from K-mart at the moment, kahit na gusto ko talagang bumili. Unfortunately, mahirap. Even click and collect, laging wala sa store. So for now, I have this few bits and pieces here. And as I said, these are just for my pantry. I'm gonna tell you how much they are and what they're called, just in case you want to buy one as well. So we're gonna start with this. This is their wired basket. It retails for $4 each. So I bought 4 of these. It's a good size. It's not too small, not too big. As you can see, I fit some of our noodles here. So I have a few cup noodles. And you can just, organize it however you want inside, and it still looks tidy. Now, our next one is, this is what they call the wide food container with bamboo lid. I like it. I like it so much. It looks pretty. I do have my tea bags inside. They're not glass. They look like glass, pero they're plastic. But it's a good, what you call this? Medyo maganda siyang kind of plastic. So, and the bamboo lid. This is what sold me. It's so nice and so pretty. As I said, you can put whatever you want in here. Some of your knickknacks can go inside too. Whatever you feel like putting inside will do. But I have all of my tea bags because as you've seen before, my pantry, it has boxes and boxes of teas inside. So now they're all together in this one little container. Now this one, as I mentioned, these are $6 each. I bought 4 of them. This is how it looks like empty. Next that we have is, this is what they call the oblong canister because of their size, or their shape, sorry. Now this, they sell it for $6 each. I like it, it's cute, and it's ceramic with a bamboo lid. So again, you can put whatever you want inside. It's a good size as well. Some powders maybe, flours. Next one is this. This is what they call a clear drawer. Now, this is good for, you know, if you have a few bottles to put. It's very sturdy. You just have to really take care of it not to get dirty. So what I did, I put a paper towel to line it inside. Kasi it's clear, makikita mo lahat ng dumi. So I put the paper towel in. So once I see the paper towel is dirty, I can just replace it with a new one. Easy. Now that sells for $7 each. And I have 3. Now this is what I did with it. Kasi you know why? The pasta fits really well inside the spaghettis. That's why I have it in there. But I also have a tall canister for my pastas as well. Ito yung mga stock lang. Now that's that. Next one is this set. I bought their coffee, tea, and sugar set. Now this one, they sell it for $12. It's cute. So it already has a embossed label, curved. So this is how it looks like. Again, this comes in a packet of 3. Now this is their coffee canister. The tea canister, it's all the same size. And then last one that I ordered was their labels. Now let's talk. I'm not sure why they are running out of stock of these labels, but I was able to buy this. So these ones, they come in a packet of 2. So I bought 4, I bought 2. So I have, it's $3 each. This is $6, so altogether, I just removed the packet, I just removed it from the packet. But I don't have the spice labels. I've been checking their website every day for the spice labels. They don't have it in stock online. And even if you do click and collect, I don't think the stores around me or the Kmart shops near me has it. So today's video, my spice rack will have no label. Sorry. But yeah, these are $3 each. You just have to be quick if you want to order. Sometimes they have it, but you have to buy it like as soon as possible, because if you don't, then you will lose it. So that's it. Those are the few things that I bought from Kmart just the other day. I still have a few coming, but it's not for the pantry, so it will be in another video. Finally, my pantry is done. It took me a little while to organize and do everything, just because I still have to clean afterwards. But now I am ready to show you what the pantry looks like, and I will scoot you in afterwards. It is looking very much tidy as it was before. I've got all my baskets at the top, and my snacks here, or the kids' snacks, some pasta, and this teas. I told you this a while ago where I got it from. This container here, and those are the coffee, tea, and sugar set. And yeah, these are just, you know, our stuff for cooking. And down there are some of the stock that we need, that we don't use at the moment. I'm gonna go and scoot you in now. So here is, guys, my pantry. So those are the wire baskets that I got from Kmart. So I have a few canned goods on 2 of the baskets, and then our noodles there, and then on the second one got my snacks there, and some other few stuff like your tea and coffee, and my husband's muesli is there too. And then that gold foil at the back is my brother's coffee, so his business. He makes some kapeng barako in the Philippines. So all of you Filipinos out there, if you want to just check out Ala E Gourmet for some premium kapeng barako. And then on the third shelf here, we've got some cooking stuff. So your peppers, your oils, my spices, everything is in there. So as you can see, I have a kitchen liner too that I put inside. And then down here are our stocks. So I use the clear drawer from K-mart to put everything in one place. Now on the other side of this pantry, now there is our breakfast stuff. So breads, spreads and everything. And then a few baskets again for cooking. So there it is. That's my whole pantry organized. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed what we did today. Again, as I said, I'm gonna put up another video, another K-mart video. Just waiting for the delivery. So once that's in, I'm gonna film it and I'm gonna put it up shortly. Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And again, please leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on today's video. Please don't hesitate to comment. And also, please do share this video to your friends and family. Put a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for being with me today. I just hope you keep safe and stay well. And see you guys soon. Bye.